There is no code issue with making a Marrette connection in a Type LB conduit pull box, provided the installation adheres to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, guidelines. NEC Article 314.16 states that conduit bodies shall be installed only with access for proper installation and maintenance of conductors. NEC Article 314.16b3 specifies that conduit bodies shall be accessible without removing any part of the building or structure or permanent fixtures or appliances. Furthermore, NEC Article 314.16b4 dictates that conduit bodies shall be of sufficient size to provide adequate space for all conductors installed in them and for the installation of devices or equipment in accordance with this code. Marrette connectors are insulated wire connectors designed for joining electrical wires. They are commonly employed in junction boxes or other enclosures where connecting multiple wires is necessary. According to the NEC, Marrette connectors are approved for use in conduit bodies, which includes Type LB pull boxes. When installing Marrette connectors, it is crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely. Firstly, properly strip the wires to the correct length, exposing the conductive core. Secondly, tightly twist the wires together to ensure a secure mechanical and electrical connection. Thirdly, insert the twisted wires into the Marrette connector, making sure all strands are captured. Fourthly, securely tighten the Marrette connector using a screwdriver or pliers, as recommended by the manufacturer. This ensures a firm grip on the wires and prevents them from loosening over time. Fifthly, arrange the Marrette connector and connected wires within the conduit body in a way that provides adequate space. This prevents overcrowding and allows for the easy addition or modification of wiring in the future. Making a Marrette connection in a Type LB conduit pull box is permitted by the NEC as long as the connection is made according to the manufacturer's instructions and the NEC requirements for conduit bodies. Always prioritize safety and consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements in your jurisdiction.